Hello students, today I Sunita welcome you all to Learn Concept. So today I will be discussing about an interesting topic, that is the human brain. The human brain is what makes us most incredible among any other living organism. That is how in case of its biggest size. If we see in this chart, the human brain is the biggest among all other mammals. So okay, we have known about its bigger size, but now let us discover what is inside the brain which makes us so specific among any other organism. So now we will be looking what is inside the brain. At first we have the cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest component of the human brain, comprising of about 80% mass of the human brain. The cerebrum consists of around 86 billion of nerve cells, and they are also known as the neurons, and thus these neurons are again folded in a structure known as the cerebral cortex. Further, the old neurons are also known as the grey matter, whereas the dendrites and axons are known as the white matter. The more number of white matter, the more interaction between the white and the grey matter. And after that, the cerebrum is further divided into two hemispheres, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. The right hemisphere of the body maintains left part of the body, and the left hemisphere of the brain maintains the right part of the human body. Again, the hemispheres are also divided into four lobes. Now what are these four lobes? So let us see. At first we have the frontal lobe, then we have the parietal lobe, occipital lobe and the temporal lobe. So now we will see what does they do. The frontal lobe. The frontal lobe regulates personality, emotions, etc. Then the parietal lobe maintains anger, emotions, behavior. Then after, the occipital lobe regulates vision, and finally the temporal lobe maintains hearing and vision. So after the cerebrum we have the cerebellum. The cerebellum is a small component of the brain, but it also regulates different functions such as the personality, etc. After that we have the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus maintains thirst, anger, emotion, etc. Then after hypothalamus we have the pituitary gland. Now what does the pituitary gland do? The pituitary gland regulates all the hormones that are released from our body. And along with that, it also regulates other organs which releases hormones. And after the pituitary gland, we have the brainstem. Now what does the brainstem do? They regulates the automatic function such as the circulation. Then finally we have the spinal cord. What does the spinal cord do? The spinal cord connects the brain with the rest of the part of the body. But before that, I would like to add one more point. Intelligent organisms such as the apes, dolphins, they too have folded brains. But on the other hand, mice, they have smooth brain. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.